Right Honorable Dr. Mwigulu Lameck Nchemba, the Prime Minister of the United Republic of Tanzania, was going to officiate the opening ceremony today, but because of circumstances beyond his control, he could not make it, and therefore he sent me here to represent him. And I'll read his speech with total fidelity. And here we go. It is a profound honor and privilege to stand before this distinguished gathering as we officially inaugurate the 23rd edition of East Africa Schools Sports Championship Games. On behalf of Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, the President of the United Republic of Tanzania, the government and the people of Tanzania, I extend our warmest greetings and heartfelt welcome to every delegation from Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, and Tanzania. Karibuni sana mjini Morogoro. Today, Morogoro is more than a host city. It has become the meeting point of East African youth, a symbol of regional friendship, and a living demonstration of our shared commitment to peace, cooperation, and sustainable development. We are deeply honored that our partner states have entrusted Tanzania with the responsibility of hosting this prestigious championship. We accept this responsibility with humility, pride, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Distinguished guests, throughout human history, sports has consistently proven to be one of the most effective instruments of building peaceful societies. It speaks every language. It respects every culture. It welcomes every nation, and it gives every young person an equal opportunity to dream. It has the extraordinary ability to unite people beyond political differences, ethnic identities, religious beliefs, and geographical boundaries. This is precisely why the international community recognizes sport not merely as a recreation, but as a strategic vehicle for education, diplomacy, social cohesion, and sustainable development. The founder of modern Olympic movement, Pierre de Coubertin, reminded the world that the important thing in life is not the triumph, but the struggle. The essential thing is not to have conquered, but to have fought well. Those timeless words capture the true spirit of these games. Success is measured not only by medals won, but also by character demonstrated, friendships built, and lessons learned. The FEASA Games represent far more than an annual sporting competition. They are one of the most successful youth integration programs within the East African community. Every match played, every handshake exchanged, every shared classroom, every cultural performance, every friendship formed strengthens the bonds that unite our partner states. The East African community was founded upon the ideals of unity, cooperation, prosperity, and peaceful coexistence. Those ideals become meaningful only when embraced by our young people. Today's student athletes are tomorrow's doctors, engineers, educators, entrepreneurs, scientists, innovators, diplomats, and even heads of state. By bringing them together today, we are shaping the future leadership of East Africa. Distinguished guests, Africa is the youngest continent in the world. The East African community possesses one of the world's greatest demographic opportunities. Our young people are not merely beneficiaries of development, they are the drivers of development. Our responsibility is therefore clear: to educate them, to inspire them, to empower them, to protect them, to provide opportunities through education, science, technology, arts, and sports. School sports occupies a unique place within this vision. It teaches discipline before success, responsibility before leadership, respect before victory, and service before recognition. This is why governments across our region continue investing in school sport, not simply to produce champions, but to produce responsible citizens. The importance of sports extends well beyond national borders. The United Nations recognizes sport as a powerful enabler of sustainable development. Its contribution is reflected across numerous sustainable development goals, including promoting good health, quality education, gender equality, peaceful societies, and global partnership. Likewise, the African Union Agenda 2063 envisions an Africa driven by its people, especially its youth. The East African Community Vision 2050 similarly places human capital development at the center of regional transformation. FEASA Games are therefore not simply a sporting festival. They are an investment in Africa's future. Every race run today, every goal scored, every point earned, every lesson learned contributes to building a more peaceful, healthier, and more prosperous continent. Dear student athletes, as you prepare to compete, I encourage each one of you to embrace the enduring values of the Olympic movement. Excellence, always strive to become the best version of yourself. Friendship, build relationships that will last a lifetime, and respect your competitors, officials, teachers, coaches, and the rules of the sport. These values are universal. They define not only great athletes, but also great citizens. Former South African President Nelson Mandela reminded us that sport has the power to change the world. Indeed, it does. It changes individuals. It changes communities. It changes nations, and ultimately, it changes the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the government of the United Republic of Tanzania remains firmly committed to strengthening physical education and school sport as essential components of quality education. We believe that every child deserves the opportunity to discover and develop his or her talent. Our continued investment in sports infrastructure, teacher development, and talent identification programs and youth empowerment initiatives reflect this commitment. We remain equally committed to working closely with our East African brothers and sisters to strengthen regional cooperation through education and sport. Allow me to recognize the remarkable contribution made by teachers, coaches, referees, and school administrators. Behind every successful athlete stands a dedicated teacher. Behind every champion stands an inspiring coach. Behind every dream stands someone who believed in that dream. Your contribution extends far beyond the sporting arena. You are shaping the next generation of East African leaders. May these games become the beginning, not the destination of your journey. May FEASA prepare you for the International School Sports Federation, World School Competitions. May it prepare you for the African School Games. May it prepare you for the Commonwealth Youth Games. And may it prepare you for the Youth Olympic Games that one day may many of you proudly represent your nations at the Olympic Games, carrying not only your national flags, but also the hopes and the aspirations of the entire region. Never underestimate your potential. Dream boldly, work tirelessly, and lead with integrity. Our late founding father of the nation, Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere, believed that African unity was not only an inspiration, but a necessity for our shared prosperity. That vision remains alive today. Every young person, gathered in this stadium is a living reminder that the future of East Africa is brighter than we stand together. Let these games remind us that while we proudly compete under different flags, we remain united by one destiny, a destiny of peace, a destiny of prosperity, and a destiny of shared progress. Distinguished guests, I extend my sincere appreciation to FEASA, the East African Community Partner States, the Government of Tanzania, the Morogoro Regional Administration, sponsors, development partners, volunteers, security agencies, medical teams, and every individual whose dedication has made these games possible. Your commitment demonstrates the remarkable achievements that become possible when nations work together with common purpose. As we celebrate the beginning of this remarkable festival of sport, friendship, and unity, let us renew our commitment to investing in our young people, strengthening regional cooperation, and building an East African that is peaceful, inclusive, and globally competitive. May these games inspire excellence. May they deepen friendship. May they strengthen regional integration. May they nurture the leaders of tomorrow, and may they leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. It is now my singular honor and privilege, on behalf of Her Excellency the President of the United Republic of Tanzania and the Government of the United Republic of Tanzania, to declare 2026 Federation of East African Secondary School Sports Association Games officially open.